This is my hobby. This is what I bust my ass to do. You know, I'm not trying to be the first to do everything, but this is what I'm doing. This is my journey. And you know, just like in my experience working on cars and working on trucks, you see like, man, I could do stuff so much better. That's how I feel. I feel that there's certain people out here doing channels based on a certain stuff. I'm like, man, I could do a better job. So I'm here to do it. I'm here to do it my way. I'm here to do as much as I can. I'll be doing stuff right or wrong every now and then, but at least I'm out here trying to do it and bust my ass and get it done. So hopefully I don't get pulled over because there's a cop right there just looking at me. Yeah, time to get out of here. I'm loitering. Yep. Pistons and cylinder head, clutch, liners and bearings, pistons, doing main bearings, and everything's all in. Going back together. Oh shit, alright. I legit don't know what time it is. There's the clutch. You know, I'm not out here trying to showcase, you know, oh, look at me, I got a Mustang, I'm trying to do stuff. I've been around it forever. I have baby pictures inside small blocks. I have been around cars and smelling gas at the gas pump since I was 2. So that's probably a little bit about what's wrong with me. But to go over a little bit about my background, so that way you don't see that I'm some cocky kid out here just trying to show off and get attention in a Mustang. That's not how I'm trying to come off. About me, UTI graduate, graduated with director's honors list, BMW step, BMW level 1, Tesla certified with them for a few years across the board, did a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Prior to moving to Texas, I was working on getting my master certification with Audi. Across the board, R8s, diesels, whatever. I can't take credit because of doing it all on my own. I've learned so much from everyone that I've been around and the schools. The cars seem really good. It looks like we're gonna be on a record pass, boys. We're gonna be on a record pass. That goes to show you that I've been around the block a little bit. I got some stuff under my belt, and I'll say that if you can fix a BMW, you can fix anything. So I bust my ass, I do that. I'm here in Texas now doing diesel work. The diesel work has picked up a little bit. I decided to be closer to family, and I'm working with my family on our mobile diesel gig. And I'm finding out that if you can fix a BMW, you can fix anything. The diesel world, nobody knows anything. Apparently from being over here, no one can do jack shit. That only makes us look better. So if you're in Central Texas, hit us up. We'll do some big diesel work, ISX, Cummins, Cat, all that kind of good stuff. But this is what I do. This is what I work my ass off for. You know, 2017 Mustang Performance Pack. It's pretty much NA, E85, and some BMR goodies that are on it. I got a lot of helpful tips and tricks to go around and everything. I do guys a RTR. I think those are Spec 7 wheels. You know, little stuff here and there, but I got plenty of videos on the Mustang. I actually do it for a living. I've worked on a few cars that have made some really serious power. And now that we're in Texas, it's only gonna go up from here. So be on the lookout. We got plenty more stuff to come for the channel. So much crazy stuff that I wanna say, but I don't wanna jinx. So there's that, more to come. Subscribe. lot of smoke. I hope the fire department doesn't get called over here. Yep, needs a head gasket. So